Hi everyone, welcome back to Niecy's Custom. Today we're going to be doing a sublimation cutting board from the Dollar Tree. But before we begin, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you will know the next time I drop a video. As you can see, I already have my picture that I grabbed from Google. Already have my name already outlined, outline and everything. The paper that we're going to be using is the 8.5 by 11, and I already have my picture, my background of a board to represent my cutting board. Okay, as you can see, I have this slot right here. This right here represents the hole that's in on the side of the cutting board, and I just like eyed it out just to make sure that I don't have nothing, no picture or anything going in there. Um, and I'm going to be using Silhouette Studio Business Edition. Okay, like I say, I already have the sheet. The sheet that I be using is the 8.5 by 11. And what you want to do is just cover this whole thing, cover your whole sheet. That's what I do. I cover my whole sheet to make sure that is I don't have no overhang or anything like that. And I always show um, my print border, and I just take this image right here. I took this image right here from Google without the background. And when you're looking for image in Google, always get the image, the PNG image. Don't get the JPEG, because 9 times out of 10 that's gonna have a background, a white background in the back. Always get the PNG image, because it's not gonna have a background, and it's gonna be translucent. I think I said it right. I'm not sure. Um, and what you want to do is move this image over here. Okay, and you see how the banana is going to get cut off because of that print border. That's why I'll always show my print border, always, because I don't want nothing hanging. I don't want have nothing cut off. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip this horizontally, and you see how that banana is like real close to that opening. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to shrink this picture down again, because when I print the picture, it's going to flip, or it's going to be mirrored. Okay, then I'm going to turn it back, mirror it back to its original state. I'm going to take my name and I'm going to move it over here. So that should work right here, and that's going to be on your cutting board. Okay, and I'm gonna go here and hit File, Print. You got to go to your print preference, and of course the printer that I'm using is going to be Epson 7720 with 2 cartridges. I got my first cartridge, I got my 8.5 by 11 paper, and my second cartridge, I have my 13 by 19 paper, my Super B paper. Okay, I make sure everything is checked. Oh, one thing I forgot to check. You got to make sure that it is in landscape. Make sure it is in landscape, not portrait. Okay, now you're going to hit OK, and you're going to hit print. And once that is printing out, then I'm going to show you how the image is going to come out and what you're going to do to put it on the cutting board. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. We have our image here. that we printed out on the printer. I'm using sublimation paper. This is some good paper. I like this paper. It just make the image and the color just pop real good with this paper. I love sublimation paper. We're gonna need some Mod Podge, a little brush, some Oracle 651, some laminated paper, and your cutting board. Oh man, your cutting board from the Dollar Tree. Just $1. Okay, first, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna get our laminated paper, and you know we're gonna tear it in half like that. We're gonna get our butcher paper. Let me bring this up some so y'all can see everything. Okay, we're gonna get our butcher paper. And we're gonna lay our vinyl out. And also you need heat tape. We're gonna lay our vinyl out. We're just gonna tape the ends of them like this so it can lay flat. Like that. And we're gonna take our laminated paper and put on top of that. You know what to do. Shiny side up. And everything I'm doing, I'm gonna have in the description below, because I know a lot of people wanna know this right here. I hope I got something underneath my laminated paper. Let me take this off. Okay. And we're gonna press this under the heat press for like 20 seconds. Okay. 20 seconds. Okay, and you know what I do? I just make sure that all that is out. Make sure it's flat. And I take I need this back. Make sure that on there good. And I'm going to take my image. Take my image. I have to move this heat tape right here from the side so my image can be on that laminated paper, and I just tape it down. Can't see. Sorry about that. I think that'll be all right. that extra piece of laminated paper that we had left over. I'm going to cut this. Cut a strip of it. And I'm going to just lay it on the top right here. Because, you know, the laminated paper is not big enough. And when I pressed down, the vinyl melted and it came up. So, I'm going to just cut a strip of this laminated paper. And I'm going to just put that on the part where the laminated paper didn't touch the vinyl. So my vinyl won't get stuck. Okay. I'm going to put this back on the heat press. And press it for 60 seconds, 400 degrees. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you the next video that I'm dropping. I'm going to try to drop another video this week, but the next video that I do drop, I'm going to sublimate, show y'all guys how to sublimate a shot glass from to start to finish. How to where I size up the paper and everything. So you make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss that. Okay. See what I mean about putting that extra laminated paper on the side? You see how that just, that vinyl melted? Okay. Gonna pull that off. Show you how it came out. That's pretty. It came out real good. Pretty color. I'm telling you, get that Cosmos ink. I'm telling you, that ain't nothing but the truth. You know, I'm gonna pull it off. My butcher paper. And y'all, I got this butcher paper from your local grocery store. I just went in and asked, do y'all have any more? Do y'all have any extra rolls of butcher paper, like with a little bit on the roll? And the guy just gave it to me, and I'm thankful for that. Okay, so now we're gonna cut our image. Don't cut real close to the image. You just want, you want it to be something just a little bit like that. Okay. Then you're going to get your cut board. You know, you're going to peel the backing off. I don't know why I always have trouble peeling this stuff off. And it ain't like I don't have long fingernails. I can just... And you know what else I do? I tear it a little bit so I can peel it off. Okay. And you know what I do? I lay my image down. I lay it down first. And I just put it on there. Okay. I don't think I did that right, but okay. You just want to you know, shape it up some. You want to just shape it up some and you know what I was going to do? I was going to put the Mod Podge on the top of it because I didn't think that it would have come out looking this good. And okay, remember I tell you about the hole right there? But see, I have the banana got in the way, so I'm gonna have to move my image over some more so I can cut this right here out. Cut that hole out. But this right here is your sublimation cutting board. You know the holidays coming. You want to give somebody a gift? Go to the Dollar Tree. It's a lot of stuff in the Dollar Tree that you can sublimate on. A lot of things you can do. But this right here will make a good Christmas gift. You can get the whole set. You can get the cutting board, the pot holder, the towel, everything from the Dollar Tree. And the pot holder and the towel is polyester. So go to the Dollar Tree. Get some stuff. Just hit me a comment below and tell me, hey, do a video on the items that I can sub from the Dollar Tree. I'll be happy to show you. It don't have to be polyester. You can do other stuff. Just let me know in the comments. Well, that's it for today. Remember, my next video, I'm gonna show everybody how to sublimate shot glasses. May God bless you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Open up, you open